Welcome back to Asian Reviews, and today we're going to be reviewing this multifunctionalist wireless keyboard from RockSoul. This is the K12 wireless USB version, so that's just a reference for you guys. It comes with this really nice white packaging, which you could take a look at some of the little information there if you would like, but I'm just going to get right into the review. So sliding the little white cover, we have a nice brown box which has all the contents of this product. So we have a little information card, a quick start guide and user manual. We have your charging cable, and we have the wireless keyboard itself wrapped in some nice bubble wrap, so definitely 2 thumbs up for having the nice packaging. So here is the keyboard. It's a pretty standard design. We have the main keyboard on the left hand side, and on the right side we have a trackpad. We're actually going to start off on the back, and on the back you can find a little bar for some elevation, the charging port, the on and on button, and 2 LED indicators right there. And we also have the slot for the USB, the little adapter connection, and we have 2 rubberized feet on the bottom of the base to help with non-slick. And that whole back is a brushed aluminum finish, so definitely very nice that they had that included. So back along to the front, we have a RockSoul logo on the top right, and we have indicators at the bottom for the left and right mouse button for your little touchpad area, so it's definitely nice. And for the keyboard, we have rubber dome switches, which is to be expected, and we have a lot of multimedia keys with using the function indicator, so we can get a lot of cool additions. So the function key and the top row buttons will actually enable the function modifier, but if you would like to use all the multimedia keys, no function modifier needed. So we have the search button, home button, mail button, cut button, copy button, I believe that is a paste button, play button, back, pause, forward, volume mute, volume down, volume up, and a file button. And then we have another 2 mouse clicks on the bottom, and then we have a little Apple / Windows key, and then we have the arrow keys, which also function as page down, page up, home, and end. And yeah, that pretty much wraps up the full tour of the keyboard itself. Now the trackpad is pretty sensitive, and you can get some decent moving around, but you need to swipe the cursor a lot to get it to move across your whole display. I have a 24-inch dumb monitor, and it usually takes 3 right swipes to get it across the whole monitor, and when I'm using both of my monitors, it takes a lot of swipes to sweep it around, so I would like to see maybe a bit more of a sensitive trackpad, or maybe a way to adjust like a DPI or something like that. Anyways, the typing experience and the trackpad experience on the keyboard is fairly nice. Again, I just talked about the trackpad, it's pretty decent, and the typing is pretty good as well. There's a bit of a short backspace, but it is pretty easy to get used to in my using, and otherwise it has a pretty generic design. Now, I would not recommend this for an everyday use as a keyboard, but for what I use it for, it's actually perfect. And you should see a video of me right now chilling in my bed using this wireless keyboard to access my computer and watch YouTube videos, you know, just for pleasure. And it's actually really easy to use whenever watching media, whenever you want to click on something on YouTube or Netflix or something like that. It's definitely very easy to have that sit right next to you instead of having to get out of your bed and use the actual keyboard, and having that trackpad is definitely great as well. And then the USB receiver, that's all you need to do. Just plug your USB receiver in and then turn on the keyboard and you're good to go. Battery life can last, I'd say, around 5 to 15 hours depending on how long you use it for or what you use it for. Like if you remember to turn it off after when it's idle It just depends. So it's kind of a wide range there. Anyways, this is pretty much the review for this keyboard. I definitely recommend it for lazy people, as I said there in that little intro there. But this is actually really great for anyone to use. If you have maybe, like, you have a TV PC, this is a great option. Any kind of thing where you're going to be away from your PC and you need a cordless little wireless keyboard, this is definitely great, since that you can leave the USB plugged in and you can turn off the keyboard separately. Anyways, that pretty much wraps up the review. Definitely 2 thumbs up, definitely a must-have for anyone, because it only comes in at around a $20 range, very affordable, and I would definitely recommend it over the Logitech ones because of how small and nice and compact it is, and you can slip it in for almost any storage space. Anyways, make sure to go check out Rye, not sure how to pronounce it, down below. Make sure to purchase this keyboard for yourself by using either their website link down below or the Amazon website page. Anyways, make sure to subscribe if you have not already to stay updated to all my new reviews, giveaways, and everything else Asian reviews. I'll see you in the next video. Peace!